Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put positive number 1 in here. That means we need to minus number 1. Next, this one divide by this one. So you got about number 1. Next, the integration of number 1, we have s. The integration of this one, so we have number 2 next to s. This is about coefficient of s, and you got about 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of 2s plus 1. And then we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. Now I will put number 1 in here and number 0 go in here. So number 0 and ln number 1, you got about 0 in here. So we just have only this one. And that is about 1 minus 1 over 2 ln number 3. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.